Cryptocurrencies in general are volatile. However, XRP is in an even more complicated position. Back in the days, Ripple XRP was the third top cryptocurrency of the market until it got sued by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. That's exactly when the downfall of the company began. It stumbled, but somehow managed to stand up even stronger. Despite the lawsuit over its head, the San Francisco-based payment company has partnered up with different banks and financial institutions and increased the use cases and innovated its services. With all of this, the year 2021 became the most successful year for the company, and as a result, Ripple has started buying back the shares that the company unfortunately had sold when it was struggling. Just after 2 years, Ripple surprised its competitors after buying back some major shares, proving that the reign of the company had started. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the fact that Ripple is buying back some of its major shares that they had to sell because of the lawsuit and how it affected the company's position. We are also going to talk about the annual report and present to you a very special person who just joined Ripple. Moreover, we have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
After Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple was once the world's third largest digital asset. Unfortunately, the cryptocurrency fell out of favor with the investors after the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States initiated a lawsuit against it in December 2020. According to the SEC, XRP is an unlicensed security and Ripple executives sold $1.3 billion worth of it. Sources reveal that shortly after the SEC filed its charges, the UK-based investment firm Tetragon also sued Ripple, seeking $175 million in repayment from its Series C investment. In March 2021, a Delaware judge rejected Tetragon's claims. Ripple raised $200 million in Series C fundraising at the end of 2019, headed by Tetragon and joined by SBI Holdings and Road 66 Ventures. Now this is what Ripple is buying back and at a premium. In an interview with The Fortune, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that the company has purchased all the preferred stock sold in its Series C round. Per the negotiated terms of the original agreement, Ripple paid those investors a 50% premium for those shares. A Tetragon spokesperson says that the investment company also received accrued paid kind of dividends from Ripple. After the buyback, Ripple is now valued at $15 billion, up from the $10 million from its Series C according to the company. The CEO said, "We decided that this was a good use of capital and very accretive to other shareholders in my judgment, and so we decided to exercise that right." According to Garlinghouse, Ripple is leaving the Series A and B investments alone because those shares aren't tied to governance or dividend rights like the preferred stock from Series C rounds. Furthermore, Garlinghouse said that the Series A and Series B are satisfied stockholders. Indeed, SBI Holdings defended Ripple in the SEC litigation. The company later developed an on-demand liquidity or ODL service with Ripple in Japan. All this is really huge for Ripple and XRP, and it is pointing towards Ripple's IPO. As the company had previously said after the lawsuit, they're going to be public. Now the lawsuit is expected to end this year. Ripple is very well aware of that, and it is prepared for the big step. In a series of tweets, Brad Garlinghouse said, "2022, slowdown is not in our vocabulary. Even with 2021 headwinds, it was our best year on record, and Ripple's financing position, $1 billion in the bank, is the strongest we've ever been. RippleNet is much more than cross-border payments. It's bringing crypto-native services such a liquidity to enterprises today, the network has a volume run rate of over $10 billion. Huge props to the team for continuously upping their game and leaning into new capabilities every year. Ripple X, full speed ahead on establishing a multitude of capabilities to the XRP ledger, NFTs, CBDCs, interoperability bridges, sidechains, and so much more. Working hand in hand with devs and partners around the world, It's a multi-chain world after all. According to the company, the buyback places Ripple's new valuation at $15 billion and reflects Ripple's strong position in the market and global company momentum. Ripple's global business has grown exponentially, and 2021 was the company's best year to date. The company says that its RippleNet platform has seen transactions double in 2021. It also signed Bhutan and Palau as CBDC clients. After the lawsuit was filed, everyone thought the company and its native currency both were going to be wiped out. However, Ripple stood up even stronger despite the lawsuit. It partnered up with the important banks and financial institutions and involved itself in some major projects. In its recent Q4 report, Ripple said that 2021 was RippleNet's most successful and lucrative year to date, as global momentum skyrocketed with customer demand despite the headwinds from the SEC. The number of transactions on RippleNet more than doubled with a payment volume run rate of over $10 billion. This is a testament to a product considering Ripple parted ways with MoneyGram, its largest customer, immediately after the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple. With over 20 payout markets for on-demand liquidity or ODL, most recently adding in the Middle East, RippleNet continues to see more global demand for the product. Most notably, APAC continues to be one of the largest contributors of ODL volume on RippleNet, more than doubling in 2021. The report also said that Ripple joined the Digital Pound Foundation to work on the development and implementation of a digital pound in the UK and continue to work with central banks across the world on technical and policy issues relating to CBDCs. Ripple also worked with the Republic of Palau to look into establishing cross-border payment schemes and USD-backed stablecoins on the public XRP ledger. The world's first government-backed national stablecoin might be launched as a result of the XRPL's built-in DEX and tokenization benefits. This only proves that despite the market and the crypto regulations issue, the company did great, and after the lawsuit is over, a whole new world of opportunities is waiting for the company. Even despite being clouded in the SEC lawsuit debacle, Ripple is still making strategic moves in its core business line, enabling the cheap and fast cross-border transfer of value. The latest to join the Ripple family is Al Fardan, a UAE-based funds transfer service that will use RippleNet to enable the low-cost transfers in and out of the Middle Eastern country. Al Fardan has joined RippleNet Cloud, a service from the San Francisco blockchain company that allows financial institutions to incorporate cloud computing speed, robustness, and flexibility without the hassle of managing hardware. Hassan Al Fardan, the CEO and founder, commented, "We are well into the digital future and payments are powered by technology, which is becoming key in the region. This partnership underscores our commitment to offering new channels and opportunities for people to remit money more securely with more flexibility and convenience." Ripple is pleased with the collaboration, since it would allow the firm to extend its footprint in the remittance market and its services throughout the Middle East. Commenting on the partnership, Naveen Gupta, the managing director of RippleNet for South Asia and MENA, stated, "We are proud to partner to leverage blockchain technology to revolutionize cross-border payments and the thriving payment industry in the UAE and the Middle East." The partnership will provide Al Fardan advantage in remittance businesses that are swiftly recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic devastation. According to data from central banks of the UAE, personal external remittances from the UAE climbed by 8.7%, or 3.6 billion dirham, or $980 million in the second quarter of 2021. Al Fardan has recently vowed to engage with more fintech companies in order to increase its footprint in the industry. This is the power of Ripple. With its services, it is attracting all the banks and financial institutions around the globe. With the recent buyback, the position has become stronger, and this will help in more partnerships. In this way, either directly or indirectly, Ripple is going to rule the financial system. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about Shiba Inu, XRP, or Ethereum, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this, it might have changed to a whole new level. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about the buyback of shares. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.